Today I am reviewing these slip-on steel toe work boots. These were sent to me to review and I'm super thankful for that. These are great. They're slip resistant, they're oil resistant. So these are great for working on cars, or like here, you know, we have a little bit of property and a horse and stuff. So sometimes you just have to run outside. You want something you can slip on. You can see that elastic right there makes it super easy to slip on. Nice rubberized toe. You can see the steel toe in there. Help keep you nice. And yeah, I've already been using these for a couple days. They're very comfortable, very easy to get on and off. I just want to show you some close-ups of the material. They look good as well. They're nice and beefy for all that work you need to do on the job or around the farm. Let's check them out. You can see these nice pull tabs make it super easy to put them on and off. Simply just slip your foot in, pull, slips right in. I got these in my regular size and they fit true to size. I even have very wide feet and they seem fine. They're actually, I'd say, slightly loose if anything. Very wide and comfortable. You can see here. Let's go do a little bit of work. And if you want to go check on your pony, they're great to slip on. Go down to the pen or anything, put feed. Let your horse out. Let it walk. Very good traction going up this hill. It's starting to rain here again in California, so I gotta make sure all the ditches are cleared. Make sure all the water's going where we want it to. And they're nice and waterproof as well. All the standing water over here. They're all great work shoe around the house. You know, just doing little projects, going back and forth. In the winter time, when it's snow, you slip them on and off. Works great. And I hope that this video helps you with your buying decision.